How to use plenty of fish dating app as a complete beginner. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video, I will simply show you how you can use the plenty of fish dating app as a complete beginner. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the very first thing of course is that you have downloaded the app and that you have created an account. This process must already be done beforehand. I'm not going to cover them up in this video because it's going to take a long process. I'm only going to give you some of the most basic tips to start using the app. If you don't know how to create an account, then you can watch our other video in our channel already, or I'll make sure to drop a direct link down somewhere in the description box. So after you've created the account, you want to open it up and then you want to log into your account. By default, you have these 5 sections here. Here you'll be able to see all the profiles. Here you'll be able to see recommended profiles. Here you'll be able to see people who have liked you. Here you'll be able to simply upgrade to the premium version and then select all of the Go Live feature over here. Here you'll be able to DM someone if they've come to match you. So first of all, let me come back. If you like this person, you can simply swipe towards the right, you'll see the heart icon. If you want to unlike them, you can swipe left and then you'll see the crossed out icon. Now when you like a specific person and then they like you back, you're basically a match, and after you've matched with them, you can actually talk to each other. Until then you will not be able to talk to them. However, there's also a feature called first contact, which means that even if you have not yet matched with each other and then you tap on their profile, you can actually send them a DM by sending a first contact message. So you can see ready to send a first contact, and first contact is actually limited, but you can subscribe to the premium version to get a unlimited version once. So over here you'll be able to see all this, right? If you want to like them, again you can just tap on the like option. Again you can swipe through the profiles and so on. The other thing over here is that if you want to find out the people you've liked, you'll be able to come to this icon, scroll down, and then here you'll find the option called people you've liked. Now aside from that, I'm going to give you some of the basic tips about your profile. So you can tap on the profile icon here. If you want to edit your profile, tap on it. You can change all your personal details such as your photos, your height, your age, your location, and so on. Then you can come back. Now if you also want to upgrade to the premium version, of course you can tap on the upgrade button, select a plan as you like, and then upgrade to the premium version, because obviously the free version has very limited feature. It's really of no use at all. Then you can go to manage account. If you want to actually hide your profile and deactivate it, you can tap on that. If you'd like to verify your identity, which will increase the chances of getting a match, then you can verify that. If you'd like to manage your email settings and so on, you can do that respectively. Then come back. You can change the preferences as to what kind of people you want to get recommended from a specific age group, from country or contact length, and so on. Then after that you can come back. If you would like to actually activate or boost your profile for a specific time, instead of actually getting a premium, you can tap on the boost lightning icon from the top right. Actually try to purchase some kind of token, and when you get a token, you can use that to boost your profile in that way. Now after that, if you want to learn how to delete and deactivate your account, again as I said, I will not be able to cover them up in this video. You can watch our other videos in the channel. I hope I covered as much basic as possible as to how you can begin using the POF dating app as a complete beginner. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.